Hello student, Namaste Sabdanlai. Today in this lecture, I am going to deal about a detailed study of Krebs cycle, and I would also provide you a trick to remember the steps of Krebs cycle. So without delay, let's move into the Krebs cycle. We know Krebs cycle is also called tricarboxylic acid or citric acid cycle. Citric acid cycle. These are the another names of Krebs cycle. These names are also important. And the Krebs cycle, the location of Krebs cycle, matrix of mitochondria, that is Krebs cycle mitochondria, that is Krebs cycle took place in matrix of mitochondria, and total steps are 8. Now I'll deal about the steps. So first I'll provide you the trick to remember the steps, and then I will elaborate the cycle, Krebs cycle. So the trick is here, remember, can intelligent omkaran solve some foreign mafia operation? Can intelligent omkaran solve some foreign mafia operation? So this is the trick to remember the steps of Krebs cycle. And now let's move into the steps. So starting from C, we have citric acid. So starting from C, we know citric acid, and then citric acid I. So I means isocitrate, and then O. So O means oxalosuccinate, and then K. So K means alpha ketoglutarate, and then S. So S means succinyl coenzyme A, and then again S. So S means succinic acid, and then F. So F means fumarate, fumarate, and then after F we have M. So M means malic acid, and then after M we have O. So O means oxaloacetic acid, that is OAA, oxaloacetic acid, and then comes to citric acid. So this is the cycle of Krebs cycle. This is the only the elaboration of trick, that is C means citric acid, I means isocitrate, that is citric acid changes into isocitrate changes into oxalosuccinate. So this is the elaboration of the trick to remember the names. This is the important names, and now I'll provide you the enzymes involved and the process that helps to change from citric acid to isocitrate and so on. In oxaloacetic acid, a compound named acetyl coenzyme A plus water get added, and in the presence of citric synthesis, this is the name of enzyme, and there is elaboration of coenzyme A, and then oxaloacetic acid get converted into citric acid, and then this is six carbon compound citric acid. First compound citric acid is first compound formed in Krebs cycle, and then there is another enzyme cis aconitase, and then this citric acid get converted into isocitrate. In isocitrate, here NAD plus get converted into NADH, and then converted into oxalosuccinate, and in oxalosuccinate there is liberation of CO2, first CO2, and after that it is converted into alpha ketoglutarate. In alpha ketoglutarate there is again the elaboration of this 6 carbon, here is also 6 carbon, this is also 6 carbon, and now when one CO2 get elaborated, then the alpha ketoglutarate is 5 carbon, and again one CO2 get liberated, and here also NAD plus get converted into NADH, and now this succinyl coenzyme A is 4 carbon only. So in succinyl coenzyme A there is enzyme kinase is used, and here GDP is converted into GTP. Then succinyl coenzyme A is converted into succinic acid. In succinic acid there is succinate dehydrogenase. The enzyme used is succinate dehydrogenase, succinate dehydrogenase, and this is also 4 carbon because CO2 is not liberated here in steps. So this is also 4 carbon, and in succinic acid there is FAD, again FAD is converted into FADH, and then it converted into fumarate, and in fumarate there is addition of water, and after the addition of water is converted into malic acid, and in malic acid there is NAD plus converted into NADH. So my dear student, this all about the Krebs cycle, and I have provided the trick to remember the names of the steps, and that is the important point. Can intelligent Omkaran solve some foreign mafia operation? Starting from C we have citric acid, start from citric acid, isocitrate, and so on. So now I think it will be very easy for you to remember all the steps. So my dear student, take the screenshot. I hope you understand all. Take the screenshot, and thank you for the class.